Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for our today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how to create this easy everyday smoky eye makeup. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start that with priming my face with this Fresh and Fit Awake Primer from Essence. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this face BB cream from Daiso. Okay, so for my kilay, I'll be using my all-time favorite na eyebrow pencil na hindi ko na alam yung kanyang brand. So anyways, I'll be using this today. Then, I'm gonna fill that with my Catrice na eyebrow pencil also. Medyo light lang to ng konti. Okay, so to clean the edges of my eyebrows and to conceal my under eye, I'm gonna use this Essence na long-lasting concealer. I'm gonna also use this as my eyeshadow base. Okay, so to set my face, I'll be using this Rimmel Stay Matte na pressed powder. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this Mini Eye Multi-Cube Eyeshadow and Blush on palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade and apply that in the outer third corner of my eyes. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend the edges with this shade, the shade number 1. So to bring back the intensity of that brown eyeshadow, we're gonna apply one more of that brown shade. Okay, so for my eyeliner, I'll be using eyeliner pencil from Usha's. And then I'm gonna take some angled brush. This is actually eyebrow brush, and I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and smudge that eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a clean brush and take some powder and blend all the edges of the eye makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some eyeliner also. My lower lash line, just half of my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take some brown eyeshadow and smudge that black liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my mascara, and I'll be using this long lash mascara from eyeliner. Okay, so while waiting for my mascara to dry up, I'm gonna contour my face, and I'll be using this contour palette from Shimmy Vault. And then for my blush on, I'll be using this Maybelline Mineral Powder in the shade True Peach. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'll be taking this Design Luminous Multi Highlighter in the shade 01 Pink White, and I got this one from YesStyle. Okay, so we are almost done, and for my lipstick, I'll be using this Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick. Okay guys, so I am done and this is the final look. Actually, you can add some falsies if you want to have a more dramatic look, and you can also apply some liquid eyeliner too if you want, but for me, I'm gonna skip that today. And I hope nagustuhan itong makeup look na na-create ko, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!